Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will talk about NVIDIA drivers in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. While Windows does update drivers too, if it does not, users may be required to update the drivers manually. The easiest way to do this is in the WinX menu, right-click, go to Device Manager. Look for Display Adapters, right-click on the NVIDIA driver, select Update Drivers. Windows will check if the driver updates are available, and if they are, they will be downloaded and installed. If you're wanting to download NVIDIA drivers directly from the manufacturer's site, which is a pretty good idea, head over to NVIDIA's website. NVIDIA has a nice setup where it will detect what system of NVIDIA driver you already have in it, and it will search for the latest and best driver for your system. Simply click on download and you're ready to go. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.